What do most people wish they knew before buying a home? The answers are simple, but I think they may surprise you. Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX. Two big problems in the real estate industry are on my mind today, and here's the first: false promises and unrealistic expectations. People are constantly seeing slogans like "get a mortgage with a click of a button" or "home buying made easy." To be clear, the process of getting a mortgage is painstaking and tedious. It's full of document uploads, back and forth, and all kinds of headaches. Sure, technology is evolving, but there's no such thing as getting a traditional mortgage with the click of a button. That brings me to the second big problem, and that is lack of openness. Many buyers feel they weren't given the full picture before they bought a home. However, this discussion rarely happens. Home buyers need to know the truth about today's asking prices. And it also turns out that most home buyers have no idea how their agent even gets paid. And this is because most agents would prefer not to explain this simple fact. The buyer is the one who's paying their agent's commission because it's baked into the sales price, even though it's paid by the seller. Industry research shows that most buyers wish two things occurred before they bought their home. First, they wish they were given proper expectations, not a sugar-coated version of what the process is like. And second, they wish they weren't surprised by the information that should have been communicated to them up front. If you'd like to discuss your upcoming home purchase, I invite you to connect with me, Frank Polsinello, at polsinello.ca or at 905-830-9111. Thanks for listening.